Have you ever heard of mining in the context of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin? If not, then you're missing out on one of the most fascinating aspects of the blockchain technology. Today, we're going to explore the world of mining and discover how it contributes to the functioning of Bitcoin. Mining is the process of using computational power to validate transactions before publishing them on the blockchain. It's a crucial step in ensuring the security and authenticity of the network. Each block in the chain requires independent confirmation, which prevents double spending and maintains a limit on the supply of Bitcoin in circulation. This helps to control inflation and keep the currency stable. The fees for mining are determined by supply and demand. When there are too many transactions to be processed, the fees go up. This is because it becomes unaffordable for hackers to launch DDoS attacks on the network. Mining has also given rise to new occupations that are more technical in nature. These include hardware designers, software developers, and automation experts. The phrase Satoshi mining comes from the anonymous founder of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto. Block 0, or the Genesis block, was the first block to be mined. However, it wasn't revealed until the second bank bailout package was unveiled. Satoshi Nakamoto had to be alive at the time to manufacture coins and include them in his original Coinbase transaction. So there you have it, the world of mining in a nutshell. It's a fascinating process that contributes to the functioning and security of the Bitcoin network. Who knows what new innovations will arise in the future as this technology continues to evolve? How does Satoshi mining work? Have you ever heard of Satoshi mining? It's a form of mining that operates fundamentally differently from conventional methods like CPU or GPU mining. Today, we're going to explore how Satoshi mining works and why it's essential for the functioning of the Bitcoin network. Satoshi mining involves creating a valid block that records all Bitcoin transactions using the Hashcash proof-of-work method. Hashcash generates a fresh set of transactional data using the SHA-256 hashing method. Creating a block involves running a set amount of background hashes, and the difficulty level of the hashing process fluctuates depending on how quickly or slowly new blocks are being mined. The primary goal of Satoshi mining is to make a large amount of computing power accessible to solve these hashes and produce a new set of transactional data. The miner who successfully mines a new block gets rewarded with 50 BTC each time, which can be broken down into smaller units called Satoshis. Satoshis are smaller units with 8 decimal places. This means that even small amounts of Bitcoin can be traded, making it accessible to everyone. The proof-of-work (POW) algorithm serves as the foundation for the majority of the workings of Satoshi mining. Proof-of-work (POW) is a type of data whose production demands a significant amount of processing effort. The rate at which new blocks are mined determines how challenging the game will be at any given time. Satoshi mining is an essential part of the Bitcoin network. It ensures the security and authenticity of every transaction and helps to maintain a stable supply of Bitcoin in circulation. How to mine Satoshi? There are different ways to mine Satoshi. You can do it yourself or join a mining pool to achieve the process. However, if you want to make my Satoshi yourself, you need so much patience because mining one block of Bitcoin takes a long time. But mining is faster in the case of joining a mining pool. To get started with Satoshi mining, you have to go through the following steps. 1. Download a Bitcoin mining app. Although there are dozens of mining apps from which to have a preferred choice, you can download Bitcoin mining apps like Bitcoin Miner Robot. 3. Create an account and log in to begin. 4. Choose a mining pool. It is best to join a mining pool with more members. Click Start Mining, and your Satoshi mining will begin. 5. You will have to go through real name authentication. 6. Enter your details in the provided space. 7. Enter your government-issued identification number, which is a card that clearly shows your name. 8. Proceed to facial recognition. Click the Start Mining button to resume cryptocurrency mining after successful real name authentication. You will mine 150 blocks every 24 hours before you can start collecting rewards. Once your mining hits 150 blocks, It will wait until you click the button to claim your prize, which will automatically start mining again. Can I mine Satoshi with my mobile device? On an iPhone or an Android smartphone, it is possible to mine Satoshi. Since phones are computers, you may perform hash computation on any computer. Data is transformed in one direction using a hash. The problem that miners attempt to solve involves computing the appropriate hash required by the Bitcoin app. Smartphones aren't always the most excellent tool for the task. Smartphones are now much more potent than the first computer that sent astronauts to the moon, but mining computers are much more sophisticated and specialized. How can I boost my Satoshi mining hash rate? 1. Receive your mined block. To core your failure to receive the mined block will result in the suspension of your mining, which will slow down your rate of Satoshi mining and even result in a 10k hash deduction on the hash contribution. Satoshi mining occurs every 10 minutes and gives you a block of a core that you need to move from the mining section to the appropriate place on the app. If, for instance, your building or store has a capacity of 150 blocks and you ask for more blocks to be supplied, all you need to do is use the previously mined block or pack it elsewhere so that you can enter the building or store. 2. Receiving BTC on new miner every day. Your daily rewards from the Satoshi mining app are free BTC. You can claim these so-called new miner benefits with your BTC asset and now withdraw the money to your neighborhood banks. You only need to accept the BTC. Always keep in mind to check each day to obtain it. Benefits of BTC, Satoshi, mining. 1. IT is cheap. Although mining may appear to be an expensive activity, ensuring that there is always a supply of Bitcoin in circulation contributes to reducing inflation. Additionally, it aids in minimizing transaction costs, allowing users to benefit from the savings by having more money for purchases or gains from their cryptocurrency investments. 2. You don't need a bank. Along with the facts above, it is essential to remember that access to banking services is progressively deteriorating in the current global economy. Around 2.2 billion adults globally don't have access to a bank account, according to a survey that was published in 2021, which only serves to highlight how significant cryptocurrencies are growing to be in this regard. 3. You control your funds. You have no control over your money while using a centralized service, which is one of the biggest concerns. With Bitcoin, however, you control your private keys, and your account cannot be frozen. It gives you a chance to have total control over your finances, which is something you cannot do with conventional banks or other financial institutions. Conclusion: it's important to remember that while Satoshi mining can be a profitable venture, it's not without its risks. The volatile nature of cryptocurrency prices, as well as the high energy costs associated with mining, can make it a challenging and costly endeavor. But, with the right knowledge and tools, mining can be a lucrative way to earn cryptocurrency rewards. Just make sure to do your research and understand the risks involved before diving in. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe